session we are going to see chemical reactions of amines. Okay, so that is the first one, basic character of amines. Okay, so amines, there are classified into three types of amines: primary amine and tertiary amine, and secondary amine and tertiary amine. Okay, so this is RNH2. Okay, this is your primary amine. Okay, second one, 2 alkyl group with NH. This is the lone pair of electron is present. Lone pair of, this is secondary amine, and the 3 alkyl group. Okay, 3 alkyl group with N. There is no hydrogen. This is your tertiary amine. And also we know that amine, because amine derivatives, amines are amine derivatives. It every time one alkyl group replaced by one hydrogen atom, we can get primary, secondary and tertiary amine. And also we know that this is aryl amine. This is aryl amine. Okay, so this is aryl amine. Okay, let me write. Okay, listen. NH2, aniline or aryl amine. Okay, so all the amines are, it contains lone pair of electrons. Okay, lone pair of electrons. So this lone pair of electrons only, this it contains lone pair of electrons. So the presence of lone pair of electrons only, the amines are basic. Naturally it is a basic in nature. Okay, right. So what are the factors affecting basicity? The first one is inductive effect. Okay, the inductive effect. The second one is due to the aqueous medium, the basicity character determined steric hindrance and solvation effect. One by one we can see. Okay, so this is alkyl amine, this is ammonia and aryl amine. Okay, among these, how we can the basicity character, which one is the more? Okay, right here. This is a primary, secondary, tertiary, and you know that the plus I effect. Plus I effect. So plus I effect means the alkyl groups are electron, alkyl R groups are electron donating groups. R groups are electron donating groups. Okay. So electron donating groups always keep on, here you see that keep on electron donate the electron, that time this stabilization, this nitrogen electron towards the nitrogen, it attains stabilized, and the more availability, the pair of electrons. Base means, listen, base means electron pair donor, electron pair donor. So which means availability of electrons, pair of electrons. Okay, so that is because of only it is a basic in nature. Okay, so here the primary amine, so only one alkyl groups, it increase the electron density on the nitrogen, so it attains a stable one. Okay, so here two alkyl groups are present, so keep on releasing the electron, and this nitrogen, it attains a more stable compared to this primary. The tertiary amine, so releasing three alkyl groups are present. So the three major alkyl groups, more alkyl groups increase the stability of this particular nitrogen. So the availability of electron pair is maximum. The cloud is maximum in tertiary amine. Okay. So according to this inductive effect, so tertiary comes the basicity character. Tertiary comes first. Okay. Tertiary and secondary and primary. For alkyl amine, you see here the ammonia, there is no electron releasing group present. Okay, that, so here it is that no, the availability of electron is maximum, and because of there is no group, alkyl group is present for ammonia molecule, so it is the least one, NH3. And see here, this is aryl amine. This aryl amine, directly this N is directly attached to this carbon atom, benzene ring. So the donate the pair of electron to create the partial double bond. To create the partial double bond, it undergoes resonatic structure. So here also there is no available. So the pi bond delocalization takes place. So this pi bond, it is a del minus, it is del plus. So here there is no availability of electrons, so in the inductive effect is minimum, so there is no density on the nitrogen atom. So this is a least one, n. Okay, least basic character, least basic character. Okay, so students, you see that, so these are the alkyl amine. According to the first character is inductive effect. Inductive effect means electron releasing group always release the electrons. So this nitrogen atom, it contains the lone pair of electron, it is the maximum availability of electrons. So this electron only, it is the to decide the basic character. So here compared to primary amine, secondary amine is two alkyl group, so the density is more, and the secondary amine compared to tertiary amine, there is more alkyl group, keep on increase, the number of alkyl group increase, the base character also increase. Okay, so because of the maximum availability of donor site. Okay, so here there is no alkyl group present, and here it undergoes a resonatic structure, and destabilized takes place because of the benzene ring, it is a del minus, it is a del plus. Okay, so the destabilization. So according to this inductive effect, this is only for gaseous phase. Upon அமைனோட gaseous ஃபேஸில் we can speak in terms of inductive effect. அப்போ இந்த 3 அமைன்ஸில், alkyl அமைன்ஸில், which one is the maximum base character? Tertiary amine, secondary amine, after that primary amine. Because of why this tertiary is maximum? Because of 3 alkyl groups to increase the electron density on nitrogen. Okay, so maximum availability of electron, it decide the maximum base character. Okay, and the least one is primary amine. Here there is no alkyl EDG group present, so it is the least one. After that, this is very least because of it undergoes resonatic structure destabilization for benzene ring and this nitrogen atom, nitrogen ion. Okay, okay, next one is aqueous medium. For this is gaseous phase. Okay, children, you keep it in that. This is for, see here, so it's just, okay, so this is your gaseous phase, gaseous phase. Okay, so what about aqueous medium? Aqueous medium, it is not suitable for this order. Okay, so tertiary, secondary and primary, it is somewhat the changing the order of basicity. Why? Because of in aqueous medium, second character, earlier we studied inductive effect. Inductive effect la order of basicity is what? 3 degree and 1 degree. Here I can write 3 degree and 2 degree and 1 degree. Okay, this is the order of basicity. For aqueous medium, it is not the same order, somewhat changing the order of basicity. Why? Because of it is a the base, it acts as a good H plus proton acceptor to form a conjugate base according to this Bronsted acid concept. Okay, so this Bronsted acid concept, so what's happening here for aqueous medium? Suppose this is primary amine or NH2, this is your primary amine, and or NH, this is your secondary amine, and or sorry, here 2 R groups, R2. Okay, so light or alkyl group NH, and this is 3 alkyl group. Okay, okay, N, there is no hydrogen. Okay, so all the primary, this is primary, secondary and tertiary. Okay, so all the these amines are, it contains the lone, எல்லா இதுலையுமே lone pair of electrons it is available. Here lone pair of electron it is available. Okay, so accept the H plus, when dissolved with water, accept the H plus ion and release the OH minus. This is your H plus proton. So this is 2 hydrogen is present, So the lone pair of electron also present. This is accepted by this primary amine and this H plus also. And here there is no possible because of the bulkier group of these three alkyl groups are present. ஏன் வந்து இது வந்து இதாகுது அப்படின்னோன்னா, இட் இஸ் அ absence of hydrogen atom and also steric hindrance. We can observe steric hindrance. Steric hindrance. Okay, steric hindrance. So away the H plus proton இது வந்து ஈஸியாக வந்து இதில் the number of hydrogen atom is 2 and also the H plus proton easily accept and to form the highly substituted ammonium ion. Okay, so the highly substituted ammonium ion is the greater the substituted ammonium ion, greater would be the stronger base. Okay, and this is 2 alkyl group with NH. Compared to this primary, it is a least one. Okay, here there are 3 alkyl groups. So இங்கே வந்து steric hindrance இருக்கிறதுனால இந்த H plus ion ஈஸியாக வந்து என்ன செய்யலை, there is no acceptance. So the charge on the nitrogen ion is decreasing. Okay, so that is according to this steric hindrance effect இந்த உல்டாவா மாறுது. எதுக்கு? இந்த gaseous inductive effectக்கு. Here the order of basicity in aqueous medium is 3 degree, 2 degree and the earlier we studied 3 degree, 2 degree. Here 1 degree, 1 degree and 2 degree and 3 degree. Because of here there is no steric hindrance. Okay, but here there is a 3 maximum alkyl group. We can observe the steric hindrance. So the charge and the ion is decreasing. There is no availability. The electron pair availability also decreases. Okay, so this is your least base character. This is your strong base character. Okay, so according to this aqueous medium, the order, this is aqueous medium, AQE. Aqueous medium, this is the order of basicity is primary, secondary, tertiary. Tertiary is the least base character and primary amine is the more base character. Because of highly substituted ammonium ion, stronger would be the base. Okay, here there is no possibilities because of steric hindrance. Okay, the same thing for solvation effect. What do you mean solvation effect? Solvation effect. Okay, so solvation effect means, so here because of this conjugate acid, no, NH2 is a base. This base accept the pair of accept the H plus proton and release OH minus to form conjugate acid NH and H and H. This is your conjugate acid. Okay, so here the solvation effect for primary amine or NH2 plus H plus gives or N H H and H. Okay, so this is secondary NH. Don't forget to put the lone pair of electrons plus H plus proton gives or N H and H. Okay, so this is tertiary N, there is no plus H plus proton gives or H. Okay, right. So here you see for solvation effect means dissolve in water easily OH2. This is possible. ஈஸியாக வந்து என்ன செய்யுது, ஹைட்ரஜன் கூட வந்து என்னது, இது ஈஸியாக வந்து என்னது வாட்டர் கூட டிசால்வ் ஆகுது. ஸோ ஹியர் ஆல்சோ OH2. But here only one OH2. Okay, so that is the decreasing order of the hydrogen bonding in water and the stability of ion. You see here the greater the size of the ion, lesser will be the salvation. Okay, இங்க கம்பேர் பண்றப்ப இதுல மோர் அல்கைல் குரூப்பா இருக்கிறதுனால salvation effect வந்து எப்படி கம்மியா இருக்குங்க. So which one is the maximum the salvation effect? Primary and secondary and tertiary. Okay, because it is the least one. Highly substituted ammonium, the cation, stronger would be the base. Because of the primary, there is no steric hindrance. The charge and the cation also increases with dissolving salvation effect. Here compared to this primary, here completely this salvation effect decreases. Here completely decreases. Okay, right. For aqueous medium, the steric hindrance and the salvation effect on hydrogen bonding to decide the basic character. Okay, so in the same time, for alkyl, the methyl substituted alkyl amine, the basic the reactivity order is secondary, primary, tertiary, then amine. Okay, sorry, ammonia and aniline. Okay, aryl amine. Okay, suppose the ethyl substituted alkyl amine, the basicity character of the order is secondary, tertiary, primary, ammonia and aryl group, aryl amine or aniline. Okay, so keep it in your mind. Okay, so the overall concept is, what are the factors affecting basicity for amines? Inductive effect. Inductive effect, which means the electron donor group increase the electron density on nitrogen. So increase the electron density on nitrogen, so it leads the more availability of donor electrons present there. So that is the base also more. Okay, to increase the basic character. So according to the inductive effect, tertiary, secondary and primary. Why? Because of tertiary, because of 3 alkyl group keep on releasing electrons. So the more electron density on nitrogen, so it would be the more base character. It is a least one. Okay, so aqueous medium, it is not suited for this aqueous medium because of the H plus proton to form the conjugate acid. Here we can speak in terms of steric hindrance and salvation effect. So when the H plus proton accept, the primary is a more highly substituted ammonium cation. So it is a stronger is the base. Here there is no possibilities because of steric hindrance. We can observe the steric hindrance. So this is the least one. Okay, so salvation effect also, the charge and the capacity is decreases, completely decreases on tertiary. The primary is the more and the tertiary would be the least. Okay, so you keep it in your mind clearly for inductive effect for gaseous phase and aqueous medium for steric hindrance and salvation effect, and also the methyl substituted amine, this is the order, and ethyl substituted amine, this is your order. Okay children, so let me take on some example. Here you see that secondary amine like N-methyl amine. Okay, here you see primary amine like benzyl amine. So compared to this, which one is the more base character? Okay, here you see that this also the methyl group, it is the electron releasing donor site. But what's the problem here? The presence of lone pair containing this amine nitrogen group attached directly with this benzene ring. So here it creates a partial double bond and the electron delocalization, pi bond delocalization takes place. So here it attains del minus, this is del plus. So it is destabilization, decrease the base character. But here you see it is a electron releasing group and this amine group is present here. So what's happening? They keep on releasing the, it is not directly bonded with benzene ring, so keep on releasing the electron. So the electron density is more, so availability of lone pair of electron to determine the base character. So compared to this, the benzyl amine is the more basic, this is your more base character. Okay, so here you see 4-nitroaniline and aniline and paradolidine is a commercial name, its IUPAC name is 4-methyl amine. Okay, right. So among these three, which one is the more base character? So children, such type of question ask you to solve the basic reactivity order. So immediately you can see whether the electron donating group is present or not. Here you see this is electron withdrawing group, okay. Here you see electron EDG, electron donating group. So we know that electron donating group to increase the stability, okay. So the availability of electron is maximum, so that the character of base donor electron pair donor, it is to decide the basic character. Here electron withdrawing group, the delocalization takes place, it undergoes a resonating structure, so there is no base, okay. So here you see there is no, இந்த ரெண்டை கம்பேர் பண்ணுறப்ப இதில் there is no electron withdrawing group, electron donating group. ஸோ இதுதான் வந்து என்னது, donating group தான் வந்து என்னது base character maximum, okay. இது withdrawing group decrease the electron density on nitrogen, this is increase the electron density on nitrogen, okay. So this is in between, this is on the least, so this is more, this is more, this is least available, okay, least, okay. This is in between, okay. So children, you see the overall concept, base directly proportional to the Kb. Kb means dissociation, base dissociation constant, okay. Base means base dissociation constant, okay. So it is indirectly proportional to the 1 by pKb, because of pKb equal to minus log of Kb, okay. So larger the Kb, smaller the pKb, the greater is the, stronger would be the acid. Kb oda value larger இருக்கணும், pKb oda value smaller இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா நமக்கு அந்த the base வந்து என்னது, it is a strong base, okay. This is, you keep it in your mind, this is 1 mark question, okay, right. So that's all children for base character of amines.